Director of NRI Affairs, Vice Admiral John De Silva, Chairman, Overseas Employment Agency of Goa, my dear instructors, teachers, my dear ex-students, students, and well-wishers and dear friends, we are pleased to have these two dignitaries among us, and we are pleased to have you here. I welcome each and every one of you to this gathering, and I must right at the very outset say that we are grateful to the Director of NRI Affairs and also to the Chairman of Overseas Employment Agency of Goa for having collaborated with us to run these two courses, that is the electrician course and the desktop publishing course. With the support that they have given us, we were able to conduct these courses. So we are grateful to them, this agency. They also sent us resource personnel, as you know, and these resource personnel have helped you in life skills. Besides giving you technical skills, they have helped you with life skills so that you will be able to make life for yourselves. I am very grateful to our own staff. I cannot forget them, because without the dedication of the staff, such skills would not have been possible. They have given you very, very professional skills, so that when you go outside, you are no longer an apprentice who has still to undergo training. You are fit to do the work, to do professional work. That has been the level of training that has been given to you by our instructors, Mr. Mario Rodriguez in the electrical department and Ms. Rochelle Lotier in the DTP department, in the computer department. I am also very grateful to Mr. Sebi Fernandez, who is here on my right. He had volunteered. He is a professional instrumentation technician an engineer on the ship, not on the ship, sorry, on the rig. And since he is down from there, he volunteered his services, and he in turn gave very, very professional help and services, including equipment, etc., for the training of these students who were part of that electrician course. So, and then if you have benefited, you have to thank God, you have to thank Overseas Employment Agency of Goa and also the Department of NRI Affairs, and thank the Don Bosco Society, not me, but the Don Bosco Society, who has come forward to give this type of training, so in view of employment and to create a better quality of life for you. With these few words, I wish to thank you once again and have a nice day.
Thank you, Father Michael, for your earnest welcome address.